Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I'm going to do a quick video on a car charger. Now this car charger is model QD20 and it's the Qidoe, Qidoe charger. I think that's how you pronounce that. But you can get this from Amazon. We're going to take a look at it. Okay, so here's where you get this from. You get it from Amazon. As I said, it's the 121 car charger, 120 watt car charger, 12 volt, 24 volt, 3 socket cigarette lighter splitter, quick charge 3.0, 3 2.4 amp USB outlets with voltmeter power switch for GPS, dash cam, lots of different devices you can charge. That's a picture of it right there. Some different looks right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this and take it out of the box. Okay, so here's the box. Got the Qidoe model QD20, 3 socket cigarette lighter, 4 USB charger. It's a picture of it right there. You got some on and off buttons right there. A little more information on the box right there. So we're going to take this out, see what we get inside. All right, so you got the actual charger itself. You got a replacement amp. It uses a 10 amp fuse right there. Put that to the side. And what else? So you got some instructions, and you also get a replacement sticker. Now this thing has a base right here that comes with a sticker, but this can come up, this can come off. So you can stick this where you want and move it when you want to, and then place this inside. Okay, so that's pretty handy. All right. Move that to the side. Move this box to the side. Okay, so here's the charger. You got a 1 meter cable. It's pretty thick too. It's not a thin cable, so it's pretty thick. Let's take this off, see how long it is. That's pretty good. It's got some reach right there. So you can plug this in, but still have the ability to extend it. So that's pretty long, as you can see right there. So it's pretty long. You put the base down, you can stick that anywhere you want. That's removable. You got 3 sockets right here. Total of 120 watts, 40 watts each. You got 4 USB, 3 quick charge 3.0, a 2.4 amp right there. That's the quick charge. And then this one has a 3.1 amp max, 2.4 amp slots there. Now, you can turn each one of these off with this button here, and they light up blue LED. So that ought to look pretty nice. And then this is the main switch right here. You plug this in. Now this is well built as well. It's got a rubber grommet right here for more security to keep it in place. It's pretty durable, and that's a sign that this is a pretty heavy duty head right here. And this is the on-off switch right here, the main switch, and it has a LED that tells you the amperage of your battery. So if your battery's getting low, it's going to give a warning and it's going to flash. But anything below, I think it's 11 amps is going to start flashing for you. All right, so that's pretty handy too. But you can turn this off when you get done with the charging in your car. Okay, so I have this battery charger right here. It's not charged up too well. It's got a low. You see, it's 20-something% there, but it'll still turn this on. So I'm gonna put this in so you can see what it looks like. All right, there you go. So this charger only has 11.2 amps, so that would cause an alarm for your car if it was that low. You can see this is the LED right here that's lit up, and you can turn them off, turn them on one by one. Let me plug something in and see if it'll charge. I don't know if it'll charge your phone because this battery is low, but I'm gonna check it out and see if it does. I got an Apple charger. Now Apple is pretty finicky. You gotta have to have right power to charge these iPhones. Now I tested this now. This is 14%. The battery's very low, so it's putting out 10.8 amps, and that's too low. But watch what happens when I put this in. Now this charger is going to charge a battery, but so it's charging, but you see the alarm because it's less than 10 amps, so it's charged, and the alarm's going off. All right, so this is flashing because the battery's too low. So that's a good system right there. See, stop. Put it back on. That's pretty good. Pretty good right there. I like that. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Qidoe car charger, the 120 watt capacity. Just kind of wanted to show you that. I thought it was a pretty neat device there, and I'm sure it's going to work well in the vehicle. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.